If for some reason you want to start from an empty app, instead of using the default MVC settings, you can do that. You can either create the empty MVC app, or if you are prone to typos, what I would suggest is creating a normal MVC app from the template and then deleting the files that are in it. And so that's the procedure that we are going to follow because it involves the fewest typos. And typos are a problem in MVC apps. So I'm going to create a new project and I want MVC. So I'm going to choose the Model View Controller app. And they want us to call this future value. And I need to put it in the proper folder. And I want the solution in the folder with it. And so I'm going to click on Next. And do not use top-level statements. I have that on. .NET 6 long-term support, and I'm not going to configure any kind of authentication at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create. And then to get this so that it's empty, because right now it is not. We look in controllers and models, we have files in there. So to make this empty, all we have to do is delete out the files that are there. Okay, we're going to keep the folders. And then we're going to do the same thing with our views. So we will get rid of this and this. And we'll get rid of both that are here in home view and in shared. Now, normally I do not start with an empty app, okay? Just letting you know, I customize the template, but we are going to do this one from scratch. Okay, so at this point, we now have our empty app. And our next steps are then going to be to add in the code that we want to use.